In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Dropbox security settings. We'll walk through the quickest built-in checkup and then a more detailed manual review so you can feel confident your files are protected. First, open your browser and go to dropbox.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, head straight to dropbox.com/security checkup. This is Dropbox's guided security checkup tool, and it will take you through a few essential areas. Start with your email. Make sure the address on file is current and one you actively use, since Dropbox relies on it for important alerts and recovery. Next, review your devices. You'll see computers and mobile devices that are signed into your account. If anything looks unfamiliar or you no longer use a device, remove it so it can't access your files. Then look at linked apps. These are third-party apps like Zoom or Slack that you've allowed to connect to Dropbox. Keep only what you still use and trust, and disconnect the rest to reduce unnecessary access. Finally, the tool will assess your password strength. If Dropbox flags it as weak, follow the prompt to create a stronger, unique password. This is one of the simplest ways to block unauthorized access. If you'd like a deeper review, there's an option 2, a manual security audit. Once you finish the guided checkup, click on Security Settings to open the full security page. Here's what to focus on. Look for two-step verification and check whether it's turned on. If it shows off, I highly recommend enabling it. Two-step adds a quick code on top of your password, and it makes a huge difference if someone ever learns your login. Next, open web browsers. This section lists every browser currently signed into your Dropbox. If you see an entry or a location you don't recognize, click the X to sign that browser out immediately. This ends that session and helps keep your account safe. Then check devices. This shows computers and phones that are synced with your Dropbox. Remove any old or lost devices you no longer own. Cleaning these up ensures only the hardware you trust can reach your files. You'll also see Paper mobile devices. This is specific to the Dropbox Paper app. If you've used Paper on your phone or tablet, you'll recognize those entries here. It's a good place to confirm you recognize them. That's it. By completing the security checkup and reviewing these settings manually, you've taken meaningful steps to lock down your Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and take a minute to keep these settings current whenever you change devices or apps.